It's just not me. I don't know how to do that. That's not the thing that I'm good at. If that's what you're thinking after coming to the Remodeling Made Easy Challenge page, and that's what had you stepping off the page without following through, I've got good news for you. So the Remodeling Made Easy Challenge is made simple so that anyone can do it. So if you were thinking that, hey, I need someone else to guide me through this, I don't know how to go ahead and make all this happen, I'm not creative, we've got your back on this one. That's why we created this piece, so that you can get clear on that. So it literally all starts off with the 5 days of training of the challenge, working with me personally. So every day I'm working with you to make sure that you get exactly what you're looking for. So we also do that and map everything out with our Remodeling Made Easy digital workbook. So you get that. So that's what creates the remodeling roadmap that you're then able to use and take out to everybody on your team after you have it made. That'll be your contractor, that'll be your architect if you need it, that'll be a designer if you decide to use one. But literally, I help you create that. It's not something you have to come up with on your own. So that's the assistance there. We also have accountability. So it's one of the pieces that so many of us fall down on, though, is having someone to go ahead and keep us on task, keep us on track, answer the questions if we've got them. So we include accountability during the whole 5-day process of the challenge. Then the one thing that we've got, everybody loves a community. So for those of you who love a community, we've got our 5-day Remodeling Made Easy Challenge Facebook group. So this is the place where you go to converse, bounce ideas off of each other, get ideas from somebody else. So get some assistance or a second set of eyes looking at something. This is all the people going through the challenge with you right now. And you've got 30-day access to that. That's also included. And the final piece of the challenge that we've got for you is our behind the scenes, where you actually get to see what we're doing every day on our job sites. So we actually show you those secrets. We show you the tips and tricks and things that you want to pay attention to that will help you when you're designing your home for the remodeling, and what you're going to want to look for later on. So these are pieces a lot of times you see on my Facebook Live. Those pieces are being pulled back into just your members area for you to see. So because these are going to be the best tips that we've got to help you in your remodeling process. All of that is only $27, which is why I know that the price wasn't anything that held you back. This is the time to go ahead and enroll in the challenge. Now, if you want some bonuses, so we got you covered on that one too. You want bonuses? So what we've got for you, the first one is one of the biggest ones that we've got because of the fact that people are always like, who am I going to work with? What contractor am I going to find to do this? So if you live in Central Florida, obviously I'm looking for you to come work with me if it's the right fit. For everybody else who lives in another area outside of Central Florida, the one thing that we've got for you is our book called Contractor Hiring Secrets. It walks you through the process, what questions to ask, what pieces to check up on, so what items to go ahead and check off before you go ahead and sign the contract with that contractor. That's hugely valuable. That's going to save you frustration, time, money, all of those things is bonus number one. Bonus number two is our top 3 tips from all of our business partners. From all the team that we use, they gave us their tips for remodeling houses and things that they see people get tripped up on as they're doing their remodeling process. You're going to know about those ahead of time. These are literally the pieces that will cost you thousands of dollars if you happen to fall into them. They're going to make sure that you know what these are to save that money, keep it in your pocket, or be able to put it into your renovation and actually get a result that you're looking for. And the final piece is what we call our 911 answers. The 911 answers are, it's an emergency. You're like, no! So you don't know what to do. This is your chance to reach out to me, and I actually get you the answer that you're looking for. Now, I can help you through that process. I don't want anyone to be frustrated, stopped, or stuck. That's what I'm here for, is to make sure that that process works out and that you get your remodeling roadmap to be able to use for your renovation. All you have to do is go to remodelingmadeeasychallenge.com. So you should see that right here. So remodelingmadeeasychallenge.com. So go there now. It's only $27. I will guarantee you one thing. Now, outside of the fact that you're going to get a great remodeling map, there's no time you will ever be able to get this challenge for $27 in the future. So you want to take advantage of that now. The price is definitely going way up for the next challenge. This is your chance. You're going to save thousands of dollars. So you're going to get something that's a clear blueprint for what you want to do with your challenge or with your renovation. So, and it's going to reduce the stress. So that's one of the biggest things that happens. People get stressed when they're doing this. Go to remodelingmadeeasychallenge.com right now. Finish that enrollment process. We'll see you in a few days whenever the challenge kicks off.